In this video, I will show you how to find your saved Wi-Fi password in your computer. So you just type cmd here and select command. Let me increase the font size so you can see it clearly. For example, I'm using this. Okay. So the first command, netsh wlan show profiles. Type enter. Now it will list all the Wi-Fi SSD you collect before, and you have the password saved there. So we use the same command line, but add name equal to. So for example, you want to find the ring password you saved in your computer. So you type in ring and you add key equal to clear. Press enter. Now it will give you security setting. Under the security setting, you will find the key content. This one is your password that is saved in your computer. That's the Wi-Fi password. Thank you for viewing my video, and please support me to subscribe my channel. Thank you.